Hey guys, welcome back to Sassy Southern Shopper Mom. I am Margaret. Welcome to my channel. Today's video is going to be 2 spring cleaning tips or hacks to make spring cleaning a little bit easier. So let's go ahead and get started.
What I like to go ahead and do is put a microfiber cloth over the bristle part of a broom, and I like to secure it in place with a strong rubber band. Once that is in place and secure, as you can see, I will go ahead and spray that microfiber cloth with whatever dusting spray that I have, and the Swiffer dusting spray is my favorite, so that is usually what I have on hand. And so now I just go ahead and wipe the baseboards down, and then as you can see how much it really just wipes up all that dust, dirt, and dog hair.
Okay, so the second tip that I have for you to help spring cleaning be a little bit easier is to go to your Dollar Tree and just get a pillowcase. They're only $1, and you're gonna use this to clean your fan blades. This will catch everything, so if you have like a lot of dust build up on it, it won't fall everywhere and make a big mess. So if you're not planning on vacuuming right away, you can just throw this over the fan blade, pull everything off, and it will help save time and it won't make a huge mess. Then all you have to do is either take this outside and shake it out, or sometimes like I just do, I just throw it in the wash and everything comes out in the wash, and it's simple as that. And as you can see, actually, I kind of turned it inside out for you to see it a little bit, but this is all the dust and dirt that gets on our fan. We have a lot of dirt that comes in our house with our dogs, and it's like a constant battle, but this literally contains it all in here, and then either I can just throw it through the wash or go outside and empty it out. All right guys, I hope that you found these 2 spring cleaning tips or hacks helpful, and that you're able to use them in your home while you're doing some spring cleaning. And don't forget to subscribe down below if you like this video, and feel free to check out some of the other ones. And thanks for watching guys. Bye.